Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, friends. I am welcoming you to my YouTube channel and my video. Today I will teach you chapter 1, class 6 to knowing our numbers. Topic: how to make numbers using digits. So let's start. Okay, let's start it. I will give you some points, then you can note it down. First, we will look on two-digit number. How to form a number using two-digit numbers. Let's look. The first point of a number is of a two-digit number is you have to. We can only make two numbers including the main number. We can only make two numbers including the main number. For example, 75. We only can make 57. We can't make any another number. We only can jumble them and replace them and make another number. For the two-digit number, it is needed. Okay. For example, 56. We only can make 65. We can't make 98 or anything because here we can see that 56 and 5. Our topic is make a number using the same digits without repetition. Without repetition means we have to make a number in the same digits without repeating the number. We have to make a number in the same digits. So and the point is when you make a number of two digit numbers, you only get one extra number. You can only make one extra number you can only make. Okay, let's go to three-digit number. Three-digit number. Here we can see that we can take the same example with repeating. 566 we can take. Okay, 566. Here you can see that the 566 is a three-digit number and we cannot repeat, but we can make six numbers using a three-digit number. We can rearrange them. 665 we can make. The simple way to create a number is you can make it to the ascending order. You can arrange them in ascending order. In the numbers 566, it is already in ascending order. Then you can put the 5 in middle, 656. Then you put the 5 in last, 665. Then you put, for example, here you can see that we only make these three numbers. You can then see that 665, 656 and 566. This 6 is repeated here. The 6 is repeated. In these cases, we can only make three numbers. Okay, we can only make three numbers. When that number repeat it in the 3-digit number, we can only make 3 numbers. Or you can say 4 number including the 665. It is also the same as 665. Okay, next we can go. Another example. 595. Here you can see that this 5 is repeated 2 times, so we only can get 3 numbers. 595 is the first one, 559, or you can say 955. Here we can see that we can only form these numbers. Another example, we can take 596. 596. 596. Here you can see that these are numbers without repetition. In these cases, the numbers will form 6 types of numbers, means 6 numbers with the same digits. So it has been increased by 3. So we have to get you should always be make this number arrange this number in ascending order. 596 can be arranged in 569. Then we can get, then we took the 9 into middle, 596. Then we keep the 5 in middle, 965. Then we keep the 6 in first, 695, 569, 596, 965. What we can make 691, 659, 659. Then we can make 956, 956. Then we can make, okay, we can make anyone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We already made 6 numbers. We can't make any further numbers including here. We can't make 569, 596, 965. Okay, let's 659 here, 659. Yes, it is here. We can take 956, 956. If it here, yes, it is here. 596. Let's check. 596. Yes, already here. 965 and 965. We can, yes. The all 3-digit number we can only make up to 6 numbers. And the numbers which of 3 digits are repeated 2 times one number is, we can only make the what? 3 numbers. Okay, next we will look to 4-digit numbers. Okay, 4-digit number. What is mean by a 4-digit number? You already know, and it is very simple. The number which have 4 digits means 4 numbers. 4-digit number. How to make a 4-digit number using the same digits? For example, we have given a number 7,965. 7,965. We have to make numbers using the same digit. So it is very not hard if you learn this. So let's make. I already said that you have to keep arrange these numbers in ascending order. So let's arrange 5, 6, 7, 9. We get a number and another number. You have to repeat this 5 3 times. I mean, you have to make 3 numbers using this, keeping the 5 first. Okay. You have to make, we can make 6, so 5, 9, 7, 6, or 5, 6, 7, 9, 5, 7, 6, 9. Then we can make 5, 5, 9, 7, 6. When we repeat the 5 3 times in continuously, then we can't repeat this 5 anymore. When you do this, when you repeat all the digits like this, and you get 12 numbers. So when you make these numbers, you can make 12 numbers by one 4-digit number. I will explain the 4-digit number in next video. So today for this much, I will meet you in next video. Please avoid games and don't play games. If you want to learn, please subscribe our channel, like our video and share it. Thank you.